How to set the Sharp XEA102 cash register to print in journal mode. Firstly, turn the metal key round to the Z PGM position, then press the number 2 button followed by subtotal. You then need to enter the following code, which is 00000001. Then press the subtotal button. When you press the subtotal button for a second time, it will produce a report confirming that the program has been set. Now turn the key back round to the reg position and you'll notice that when you put a sale through, instead of producing a receipt, the spool now moves round.